Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Katie channel. Today's sum, solve root over 30 into 31 into 32 into 33 plus 1. So with a simple formula we will solve this sum. So root over, what is the formula? N into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 plus 1. You can write this one in this way, no? So the formula is root over n square plus 3n plus 1 whole square. If you keep this formula in your mind, you can easily solve this type of sums. So you have to assume n is equal to 30 here. N means how much? 30. N plus 1 means 31, n plus 2 means 32, n plus 3 means 33. So n is 30. So substitute n in this formula. So root over n means 30 whole square plus 3 into 30 plus 1 whole square. So that is equal to 30 square means 900. 3 3s are 9, no? 2 zeros, 100 you will get. So 3 into 30 means 90 plus 1 whole square. So root over 100 brackets open, 100 plus 90 plus 1 whole square it will come. So the final, so 991 whole square. So you can cancel this square and this root. So the final answer is 991. So in a very easy process you can do this sum by using this formula. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.